The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Russian aerospace forces have launched attacks with high-precision armaments at the manpower and military equipment concentration areas of the 53rd, the 58th and the 93rd Mechanized Brigades near Toretsk, Zaitsevo, Nikolaevka, as well as of the 80th Airborne Assault Brigade near Seversk in Donetsk People's Republic. The attacks have resulted in the elimination of over 200 Ukrainian servicemen and 11 armored vehicles. High-precision attack launched at a manpower and equipment concentration area of the 46th Air Mobile Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine near Belogorka in Kherson region has resulted in the elimination of 3 armored vehicles and up to 15 Ukrainian servicemen. Massive fire attack launched at a provisional base of the units from the 59th Mechanized Infantry Brigade near Pershotravnevoye in Dnepropetrovsk region has resulted in causing casualties of over 30 Ukrainian servicemen killed and more than 50 wounded. Massive fire attacks launched at manpower and equipment concentration areas of the 128th Mountain Assault Brigade near Dolinka, the 102nd Territorial Defense Brigade near Rybnoye in Zaporozhye region, as well as at a provisional base of Karpatskaya Sech, Nationalist Battalion in Zaporozhye, have resulted in the elimination of over 70 Ukrainian servicemen and militants, as well as of 4 armored vehicles. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 7 Ukrainian command posts near Verkhnekamenskoye, Vyimka in Donetsk People's Republic, Poltavka, Charivnoye in Zaporozhye region, Kostomarovka in Kirovograd region, Barmashovo in Nikolaev region, as well as 52 artillery units, 134 Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration areas. High-precision attack launched by Russian aerospace forces has resulted in the destruction of the workshops at the Iskra plant located in Zaporozhye and tasked to maintain US-manufactured HIMARS multiple rocket launching systems. Russian air defense facilities have shot down one Su-25 airplane of Ukrainian Air Force near Alexandrovka in Kherson region. Moreover, 14 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have been shot down near Lydiivka, Novomikhalovka, Chkalovo, Novobakhmutovka, Grasnoye, Verkhne Toretskoye, Zavitne Bazhannaye, Lubovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Snigirovka in Nikolaev region, Chernyanka, Maxima Gorkova in Kherson region, as well as in Dorozhnyanka in Zaporozhye region. 2 US-manufactured HARM anti-radar missiles have been intercepted near Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region. In addition, 2 .U ballistic missiles have been intercepted near Belozorka and Chervony Mayak in Kherson region. 24 rocket-propelled projectiles launched by HIMARS and Volha multiple rocket launching systems have been intercepted near Volnovaha, Korsun in Donetsk People's Republic, Kherson, Tavrisk, Beryslav, Vysoloye and Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region, as well as near Chervony Promin in Nikolaev region. In total, 294 airplanes and 155 helicopters, 1,995 unmanned aerial vehicles, 375 air defense missile systems, 5,028 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 839 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 3,401 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 5,692 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.